again, candidate number 3. He is 18 years old from Barangay Burgos. He loves to interact and socialize with others, and he is strongly advocate and speak up for LGBTQIA+ community. He aspired to be a certified public accountancy someday. He is wearing a fully customized suit made by himself. It represents calmness and elegance. This approach allows for subtle yet powerful statements showcasing the beauty of simplicity. Candidate number 4, Andrew.
Candidate number 3, Leia Maris from grade 12 ABM. She is 17 years old from Barangay San Jose. She loves to sing and she also loves to join in any dance competition, especially in school and church. She aspires of classic Hollywood, where the sparkle, sheer accents, and feather details give a radiant ethereal glow like a goddess shining among the stars.
Our contestants number 4. Let's welcome our contestant number 5, Sean Paul Diaz. From 12 Humes, he is 18 years old and an independent student who helped in her mom in the family, who loves to sing and float. Swan who leads the program who promotes genders inequality. He wants to be a flight attendant soon. He's wearing a fully bedded, customized suit made by him. He inspired his suit from the Philippine eagle and a bold significance to power and determination of Filipino and the silver is your success.
Contestant number 5, Maria Levita Macapinlac from grade 12 Humes, 17 years old, and from a living residing in Seoul. A young woman with courage and determination, Maria Levita aspires to become a police officer dedicated to serving and protecting her community. With a strong sense of justice and responsibility, she dreams of making a difference by upholding peace and order. As the firstborn, she was grown to be resilient, independent, and hardworking, always striving to overcome challenges with perseverance. Tonight, she graces the stage in a breathtaking red gown, a symbol of strength, ambition, and confidence. With every step, she radiates power and grace, embodying a woman who dares to dream, serve, and succeed.
Candidate number 5.
Let's all welcome our candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, Libre.